Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Standard Notes account step by step. Standard Notes is a secure note-taking application that focuses on privacy, end-to-end encryption, and cross-device synchronization, making it a great choice for storing personal and professional notes safely. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and visit the official Standard Notes website. On the homepage, click Sign Up, Create Account, or Get Started to begin the registration process. Next, enter your email address and create a strong, unique password for your account. Because Standard Notes uses end-to-end encryption, it's important to choose a password you can remember and store it securely. In many cases, your password cannot be recovered if it's lost. After filling in your account details, review the terms if required, then click Create Account or Sign Up. You may receive a verification email depending on the current registration process. If you do, open your inbox and click the verification link to activate your account. Once your account is ready, sign in to Standard Notes using your new credentials. You'll be taken to your Notes dashboard, where you can create your first note, organize notebooks or tags if available, and customize your preferences. Before you start writing, take a few minutes to explore the interface and enable any security features you prefer, such as two-factor authentication if it's available for your account. And that's it. You now know how to create a Standard Notes account and start securely storing your notes with end-to-end encryption. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next